Yo, what's up everybody? Just wanted to post a little bit of a video, kind of talk a little bit about what I've been up to since I quit my job in January, because I haven't been posting much in Discord. So I just wanted to, I don't know, leave a little bit of an update. I've been working on my game, but I also bought a used Mercedes Sprinter in Arizona. So I flew out there, picked it up, drove to Colorado, worked on it for about 2 months full time. A lot of work, a lot of learning new things like electrical and plumbing and carpentry and all that good stuff, insulation. But yeah, I converted it to a camper pretty successfully, and now I'm about to enter Canada, go to Calgary and then Vancouver. And now I'm just traveling and working on my game. So yeah, here's the van. When I got it, I just had a bunch of dents. Well, I guess not that many, but didn't have any windows or anything, so I added that. And then over on this side, I added 2 more windows. These flares on the end here, they come out just like 12 inches total, both sides added up, which just allows me to put a queen size bed sideways so I can sleep without having to fetal position or anything like that. So yeah, like as you can see, here's the flares. It just allows the mattress to go all the end. I did have to cut this end, but it's like a full queen size. And then yeah, did like pine planks, natural wood, unstained, just protective coating. Added the lighting, have a sink, did the plumbing, propane stove, storage underneath, IKEA cabinets, countertops, fridge, freezer, cabins up here, curtains, more storage. Yeah, this is actually a drawer that pulls out. It can be used, you know, table or whatever. Put that all the way. It's actually a monitor, and this is connected to my desktop, so it's a powerhouse. Big old graphics card in that bad boy. Yeah, so it's like mobile office camper status thing. But yeah, that took me a while, and yeah, still working on my game. In the back I got lots of storage, doing a little bit of archery, tons of power tools. Got, you know, wood storage back here, electrical work. Kind of messy right now, but yeah, so kind of just camping a lot, going north. Gonna eventually drive down the west coast. I am working on a game still. I spent a lot of time at the beginning fleshing out the back end. So this uses AWS GameLift and a bunch of other AWS services like DynamoDB for all my database stuff, which is kind of a pain. I wish I used SQL a little bit. I don't know, it's fine, I guess. It's supposed to be more efficient and cheaper, so I guess the learning curve, it was worth it, but it was just a pain in the ass to get just like shit working at the beginning, but it's all right. I'll probably stick with it. My Starlink is on my dashboard and it's pretty obstructed, so my internet connection is pretty shoddy. This is talking to AWS services, I think like US East or something like that, so I won't be surprised if my internet doesn't work. We will see, I guess. It was working earlier. No, it's not happy. But I got like, yeah, user authentication. Oh, there it goes. So I got like user auth going, you know, user accounts, data. I did the music, which I added a Star Wars riff just for the heck of it, because I was bored and it was funny. But yeah, you can buy characters, and right now it's just like, you know, some random characters that I have assets for. This is all going to change, of course, but you know, being able to set these up and then, you know, add metadata, like right here we have like their color, some HP, their power, speed. Basically you collect heroes and then you send them to the Coliseum, participate in a bunch of games, and then if your hero dies while competing, it dies forever. Otherwise you come back, you get some gold. And there's also going to be like a spectator sport angle where you can play as an aristocrat and influence the match instead of participate. So you would actually be betting on a contestant that you think is going to win. So it would be another player, you can bet on them, and then you can try and help them win by using items, essentially, throughout the game. But yeah, so it's like a roguelike MOBA, I guess you could call it. Right now, there's not a lot of gameplay. I did have it as like third person at the beginning, and then I'm now working, trying out some different stuff. So this was it not too long ago. I was playing around with just like a couple different character controllers, and then like a random ability blows up, some ragdoll, which I didn't really like it, mostly because I don't know, I love Warcraft 3, and I really like RTS style controllers, so that's what I've been working on now, doing more of like a traditional RTS style, which might be cool because there might be some stuff that allows you to control multiple units. So you have your main contestant, but then maybe you get a guy that can summon some skeletons, and you can like send those off to fight, do your bidding. So right now this mini game just summons a lot of pigs. There's actually no win condition, but I'm just working on like unit control, and soon you'll be able to slaughter all these pigs, I guess. I don't know. Maybe it'll end up being an actual minigame. Who can slaughter the most pigs? The last one explodes. But yeah, that's where it's at right now. All the multiplayer works, and this uses GameLift, so you can have multiple contestants join a match play through, and then you can just keep joining matches, or spend your money on the main screen just using database operations, which is super cheap. For me, because just talking to like DynamoDB is way cheaper than actually running like a dedicated server during a match. So I'm going to try and make that part of the game as engaging as possible. But yeah, this is where it's at so far. As soon as I have an actual game loop working, I'm definitely going to share a build here, because I'd love to try it out with everybody, see how the netcode works. But yeah, that's where I'm at, trying to strike that work-life balance, and yeah, it's going well. It's going well so far. So yeah, I guess that's my update. Just wanted to touch base and show you guys what I've been up to. It's been a pretty busy few months, but yeah, I should be in Discord a lot more now that I'm not working on the van constantly. And yeah. Also Starlink. Ever since Starlink came out, I had this, like immediately I was like, okay, I need to travel, because the time is now, because I can dev and be on a volcano at the same time. Yeah. But yeah. Good to touch base. Hope y'all keep posting your projects. I'm looking forward to hearing from y'all. And I'm going to be around a lot now that I'm working full time on my game. So, hell yeah. Talk to you guys later. Oh god, I left this running, and there's so many pigs. There's so many. Oh god. Okay.